瀑布要从可爱岛东岸的卡帕阿城镇出发。我们是和瓦卢瓦凯亚 and Canoe 租的凯亚。租到凯亚后，需要拖着凯亚步行约3分钟到达出发点。之后顺着瓦卢瓦 River 滑大约2英里，就可以到达停放凯亚的地方。之后沿着瓦卢瓦 River 步行约1英里，就可以到达瀑布。整趟来回约6英里，我们花了4个小时完成。
The stronger paddler in the back. So the person that's the strongest, they need to be in the back seat. This is a 2-mile paddle up. You're going to paddle, you're going to pass Kamokila Hawaiian Village. You're going to veer right at the fork. You'll see a landing. In that landing, there will be other kayaks that look exactly like yours. You can walk along the edge of the river or you can walk through the grass, but either way you're going to walk about 75, 100 yards, and you have to cross the calm part of the river. And once you cross the calm part of the river, you're going to walk about 10 minutes, and then you will see boardwalk. The boardwalk will take you pretty much all the way up. Once you get to the very top of that boardwalk, you're going to see some muddy steps to the left of you. You take those muddy steps to the left of you, and you will be right at the falls. Okay.
休息一下，可以把凯亚 park 在这边，然后上去这个 village 逛一圈。交叉路口，左边是去一个 garden， 但右边是去 waterfall。我们先去 waterfall。
你滑一下，我趴你对面。稍微做个样子。还真说呀！
我有在滑呀。
啊，冲刺一下。各位观众，我要下水了。哦。扣扣
OK，
哎呀，一起啊，一起啊，跟他们一样。
哦，
哦，你看，走慢点，走慢点，走慢点，一步一步。好，你抓到膝盖而已。
希望过去也是这样。哦，在低。
哦，我可以背你看。
背我。OK。你看他都吃到屁股了。
好，我背你。很清凉。拜拜了。哇，这个有点比丛林啊，比昨天去还丛林。 要小心翼翼啊！
啊？
要小心翼翼。
那我快掉下去了，因为我只用一只手弄住。对。你觉得你可以深度可以，你就放我下来。
哇！
啊？
再看一下。
你真的很夸张哎，我都快掉下去了。
啊，这很危险啊！哈哈，拿着，拿着。
我都快掉下去了，你还要自拍。辛苦的刘宝，在你不是胡宝，说错，在你那里。
哦，好吧，放下来了。
可以了哈，好，放我下，放我下。哦，还是有点深，快点，
哦。
Thank you。哇，多少人帮你举牌？
哇，还动不过去了。